back to Loopy Mabel Vintage Style Crochet. My name is Jane, and in today's video it's more like a diary of what I've been up to the last couple of weeks. I thought I would pop in and just keep you posted of the crochet projects I've been working on, the things I've completed and things that are still on my hook. I've been so busy designing and creating that I haven't had as much time as I wanted to make YouTube videos, so here I am. Just thought I'd give you an update. I've just posted a video yesterday, how to transform an item of clothing with just simple crochet edging, which this is the top that I used in that tutorial. I got this top in a charity shop. I think it was £2, £2.50. I love the fact that it's got like the gingham and it's got like fluty sleeves, and it's got like stand up and show you, like an embroidery detail down the side. I just wanted to give it my own personal touch, and I thought, how could I do something with this? And I thought I'd pick the colours out in the embroidery, which is like a dusky pink, a green and like a brown, and added a crochet shell stitch edging to it. Now this is in the tutorial how to add this pretty edging. I picked out the three colours, like I said, that were in the embroidery, and I've added it to the sleeves and also to the hem. See if I can show you. Not sure whether I can. There's the hem. Really pretty, really simple, and the beauty about adding crochet trim edging to your clothing, it also gives it that little bit extra weight, so the drape is lovely, and I just think it just transforms it. Simple top from the charity shop, and now it's got my touch to it. And I've got a few things that are in my wardrobe that I haven't worn for quite a while, and I was thinking of maybe throwing them out, but now I'm inspired to go through them and maybe add a few of the trims to them, maybe to the collar or to the edge of a pocket. You don't have to do the sleeves or the hem. You can just pick out just a little piece on there, that as long as you can get your crochet hook in, and just transform it and just add your personal touch, which I love to do with all my clothes. I like to buy things that are off the shelf, obviously in shops, but then I like to add something that's me, something that's shows my personality, and it's always something to do with crochet, so that's what I like to do. Even if I just make a flower crochet brooch, add it to the blouse or whatever. So that's what the last video tutorial was, how to transform your clothing with a simple crochet trim edging. I have done a previous video where I showed you how to add pom-pom crochet trim to the bottom of sleeves I did on another blouse, so there is something similar as well if you want to take a look at that. And it's all about being inspired and using your imagination and just adding your own flair, your own personal touch to something that you wear, and it just makes it you. And everything I do, I always do, I'll make sure that I would wear it. So when I design patterns, it's something that I would wear, and I do wear all of my creations. I do post quite a lot of pictures on Instagram where I'm modelling that week's creation. So you can find me on Instagram with my cup of Costa coffee and the item that I've made that week, and I love it. I love wearing my things that I've made. It gives me like a sense of achievement, and it's something that's mine, that's I've created. Nobody else has created this piece because it's me, I've made it. So whenever we all, like, you know, if you make the same thing, it's going to be different, because even if it's the same pattern, it's going to be different because you've made it and it's been the colour of your choice or the yarn of your choice, and it's just got your touch. And I think that's the beauty about crocheting and just experimenting and just try to be you. I try to wear things that make me happy, not what I think other people would like me to see wearing. It's like what I want to wear, and that's why I just absolutely love to crochet. So that's the video I just posted out the other day, so if you want to go and check that out, it really is simple. Then I also been busy, I made the Betsy bow ear warmer, which lots of you have absolutely loved, and lots of you downloaded the pattern. And I made this in like a gold colour yarn, which my daughter said, "Mum, can I have that?" So she's now wearing that with pride. I think she wears it every day wherever she's going out, because it really is a cosy piece. And then from the Betsy bow ear warmer, I made the Betsy cowl, and it's a similar pattern, so it matches lovely, and it really is a snug, cosy cowl. So I'll pop it on and show you. Try not to mess my hair up too much. And it's just so cosy, so you can wear it up, or you can fold it down, and it really is snug and cosy and really simple to make. I've used Aran weight yarn for this, and obviously there's the Betsy bow ear warmer, so I shall try and put this on without making too much of a mess of my hair. And there's the Betsy bow. Absolutely snug as a bug when you go out wearing this. And obviously, depending on the colour of yarn that you choose, it just creates a completely different look. You could use a few different shades and alternate them, or you could change. This is Aran weight yarn, so obviously you could adapt it and use different weight yarns, but obviously you've got to make sure you do the gauge right when you do it if you are changing the yarn weights. But I've used the Aran weight yarn because it's snug and cosy, and it crochets up really fast, and I've had lots of compliments when out and about wearing this set. So that's the Betsy cowl and the Betsy bow ear warmer. And I've also been busy making this capelet. I've called it the Poly Capelet. It's really has got that vintage feel to it, this one, and I have made quite a few like shoulder snugs and capes which have like literally sat across the shoulder. But this one I've designed with a higher neck, so it's got like a ribbed neck in which sits higher on the neck, and it flares out quite a bit, so it's more like a cape, and it's pretty fan shaped detailing. And then I've contrasted with a different yarn at the bottom that brings out the ribbon at the neck, and added a vintage flower which I've actually stitched to this cape, because I'll probably leave it on there all the time. But you could make it and add a brooch finding at the back, and then you could take it on and take it off, and then you don't have to wear it with this all the time. And also you can wear this, if you take it off, on another item of clothing. But I've stitched this to this because this is how I'm going to wear it, as this piece. And I just give you a little rotation on my mannequin, so it's quite a full piece, so there is plenty of room for movement, and your arms are still free when you're out and about, or if you're crafting or crocheting, your arms are still free. So that's the Poly Capelet. Absolutely love this. I wore this. I went to York last weekend, Christmas shopping, and got lots of compliments and asking where I got this from when I was in York, which was lovely. And the PDF pattern is available as well, so I'll put the link for that in the box below, along with everything else that I've spoke about today. And I'm going to definitely make a few more of these, and you don't have to do the two colours. You could just do the one colour, but I just thought, oh, something different, and that's why I added the two colours for this one. And again, this is in the Aran yarn, so it's a lovely weight, not too thick, and it sits lovely on the shoulder. It's got quite a nice drape, and it really does keep you snug and warm. So that's the Poly Capelet. I love that one. And then I've also been busy making baby bonnets, which are very, very popular because obviously there's always new babies being born. And the most popular bonnet that I've had for quite a while is the Bell bonnet. This is the Bell baby bonnet with pretty lace detail. So from the Bell bonnet, it's got gorgeous lacy edging that frames the face. So pretty. So that's the Bell bonnet. So from there I went on to make the Elsie bonnet, which is another design. And then from there I've added one more to give different choices for people in the patterns, and this is the bow bonnet with like bobble detail on it. So these 3 PDF patterns are available as well to download. I know baby bonnets are so popular when newborn babies are born, and these make absolutely brilliant newborn gifts or gifts for baby showers. So I've added 2 more patterns to them. So now we have the 3 baby bonnets: the Bell bonnet, the Elsie bonnet, and the bow bonnet. And I will do some tutorials also on these if you're thinking of making a bonnet and you've got a new baby on the way, or you know somebody's having a baby. These are absolutely brilliant gifts. And the patterns start from newborn right up to child size. So the patterns do have all those sizes available, so not just for babies, you can make them for toddlers, small children, and even up to larger sized children. So there I've been busy doing the bonnets. And I've also been, the latest thing that I've got on my hook, I've got this lovely vintage style, I'll try and hang it so you can see, vintage style blouse. It's got lots of pin tucks on it, and I've added a vintage, I think it was my Nana's brooch. I've added this lovely vintage brooch to the neck. It's got lovely lace detailing on the neck, and it's quite a fine fabric, so I wanted to wear it in the winter, but I didn't want to cover it up completely and hide the lovely lace detail. And the sleeves on the cuffs have got the lace detail too, so I didn't want to hide it with a cardigan. So I am in the process of making some sort of cape again, but I'm using the granny stitch. Now this is just prototype, but I'll pop it on. I've picked out some really old-fashioned colours, so I'll pop it on just to give you an idea of where I'm at. So they're the colours I've chosen. So I've gone for an old-fashioned, the gold colour, a burgundy, an old-fashioned green, duck egg, and like a stony cream colour, and of course the khaki colour. And I love the colours, the way the colours mix there. And I'm not sure how I'm going to continue on with it. As I say, this is just a prototype, so there's still lots of yarn endings and it's nowhere near finished, but I wanted to see what the colour looked like, and I'm really happy with the colours and against the green on the blouse. So I'm going to progress with this and hopefully get this finished this week and do a YouTube tutorial as well, so you can crochet along with me. And the beauty about adding a few colours to a project is this can be mixed and matched with lots of things in my wardrobe. So if you choose colours, the colours maybe that you like and you like to wear, and you've got quite a lot of those colours in your wardrobe, this could be mixed and matched with lots of things that you wear. So I'm not sure how I'm going to finish the neck area off yet. I've got a few ideas, but I didn't want to hide this lovely lace detail, so I may just do a short detailing on the neck, and then obviously it's going to come down over the sleeves. Probably won't be as long as the capelet, but that's what I'm up to so far. And then I've got lots of designs in my design book that I'm working on too. And obviously it's getting busy for Christmas, so I'm fine, you know, trying to juggle getting the house decorated for Christmas as well as keeping all my projects and my designs going. So that's what I've been doing. So if you wondered where I was, I haven't been resting on my laurels. I have been busy working behind the scenes on lots of new designs for you all, and I'm hoping to get back into adding more videos on a regular basis. But that's where I've been and that's what I've been up to. So I hope you like the designs that I've come up with at the moment, and hopefully I shall keep you posted on this one. And until the next time, don't forget, practice does make perfect, as I always say, and please take care, and until the next time, happy crochet.